Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable and disable read receipts in Instagram. So I'm just going to go to the home page here, and I'm going to go to my DMs, which is right here. Then I'm going to select a DM, so I'm just going to quickly select one here. Then I'm going to select on the person's name. Then you are going to select privacy and safety, which is this one. And then as you can see, there's read receipts. Others can see when you've read their messages. You want to turn that off. So slide it to the left, not the light. Slide it to the left, and there you go. You have disabled your read receipts. So whenever you see someone's message, they won't know if you've read it or not, but it only works for that like one person. If you wanted to do it to another account, you'll have to do the same thing again. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!